The rack and pinion mechanism is a fundamental mechanical system used to convert rotary motion into linear motion. It consists of a gear wheel, pinion, that meshes with a flat, toothed bar, rack. This mechanism is widely employed in various applications, including steering systems, CNC machinery, and linear actuators. In a rack and pinion system, the pinion, a small gear wheel, engages with the rack, a flat, toothed bar. When the pinion rotates, it causes the rack to move linearly. The direction of motion depends on the orientation of the gears and the input rotation direction. Rack and pinion mechanisms are known for their efficiency and precise linear motion control. Rack and pinion mechanisms are essential components in mechanical systems that require precise linear motion control. Whether you're designing a vehicle steering system, automating industrial processes, or creating robotic movements, the rack and pinion mechanism offers an efficient and reliable solution for converting rotary motion into linear motion.